Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Starlink Gen 3 beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Starlink Gen 3 kit carefully. Ensure you have all the components, including the satellite dish, power supply, and cables. Find an outdoor location with a clear view of the sky, away from trees and buildings. Set up the mounting tripod or pole that comes with the kit. Secure the satellite dish onto the mount, ensuring it is stable and positioned correctly. Connect one end of the cable to the satellite dish and the other end to the power supply. Next, plug the power supply into a wall outlet. Wait for the satellite dish to automatically position itself and search for satellites. Once the dish is aligned, open the Starlink app on your smartphone. Create or sign into your Starlink account in the app. Follow the prompts on the app to activate your Starlink service. After activation, the app will guide you through the Wi-Fi setup process. Choose a unique Wi-Fi name and password for your network. Once the setup completes, connect your devices to the new Starlink Wi-Fi network. Check the signal strength to ensure you have a good connection. If needed, adjust the dish position for optimal performance. You are now ready to enjoy high-speed internet access with Starlink Gen 3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.